Why is the crypto market down right here, right now? What is going on with Bitcoin? What is happening as we look into one of the worst months that we've seen? Okay. Pretty much dating back to the FTX crash. If we look into the numbers as a whole, I'm going to break it all down for you guys in this video. As always, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark. I appreciate you guys all rocking with me here, and let's get down into it. Okay. And remember, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence. Okay, but as Bitcoin dropped below 60K, this is when we're going to look into where Bitcoin is at right here, right now. Okay, we can see right here on the chart. I'm going to show you exactly what's going on within the chart within Bitcoin. Right, we've dropped pretty substantially down. Okay, and this is where we've crossed below that 60K threshold. All right, but if you look back at this level right here, okay, this was 51,000. And that's kind of where we have our next line of support, this little trend right here. That's where I look at this number, and that's when we really got to be concerned. But there's a few reasons why Bitcoin's dropping. I'm going to give you guys my take, all right? But let's get down into it. A couple things that we have going on, right? The first is de-risking before today's FOMC meeting. That's something that we can look at, right? As we look into the interest rates and what's going to happen within the more traditional financial circles. We've seen a slowdown in GDP growth, all right, and certain risk assets such as Bitcoin within this stagflationary environment. That's kind of what we're looking at. So what Bitcoin will do post-halving, that's a question for more of like 14 to 16 months from now, okay? But this is something also, number two, possibly is that cyclical Bitcoin correction phase, all right? We've seen this before. This is something where it's only a 23% correction, just like I said, guys, as we looked into the chart right here on Margex. That's where I would be starting to get concerned if we would hit that 52.6 line, okay? And for me, that's kind of what we're looking at, all right? But there's a little bit more so to talk about in terms of profit taking. We've seen this. Q1, Q4, that's where people look to make their money within crypto. We've seen this historically year in and year out, and this is no exception. So what's going on? We're seeing the open interest decrease. We know the demand's there within the Bitcoin ETFs, but there's a lot of stuff that has to be taken in consideration because a lot of people have made a ton of money in these last few months, and that's what you have to take in consideration. All right. So it's kind of normalcy, if you ask me a little bit, all right? Also, the U.S. ETF flows and the Hong Kong disappointment, right? Not really too much on board with that sentiment, but that's something where you look for the Hong Kong ETFs have pretty much went below expectations. Only $11 million in trading volume, okay? And that's so much more of a disappointment than what was anticipated within $100 million. So that's kind of what we're looking at. And, you know, it just goes and dates back to more so historically what Bitcoin has done post-halving, all right? We're seeing it time and time again, and this year, 2024, is no exception. I'm not concerned. Like I said, though, guys, if we get to 52.6, that's when we'll start looking, okay, what's going to happen? Because the next line from there is at 40K, which, quite frankly, that won't happen in my personal opinion. So just giving you guys a quick video update. Also, if you guys see me trading here within Margex, this is something that's going to be a channel sponsor. It's one of the hottest exchanges using up to 100x leverage. It is a leverage trading platform. Sign up today using my link down below. You're registering, you get up to a $10,000 bonus just by registering and claiming up to that bonus, as well as a bonus signing up using my link down below when you do sign up and get started trading with Margex today. Make sure it's okay and all right after you do your due diligence within your own area and where you're located and get started trading with Margex today. A lot of people have been making a ton of money using this leverage trading platform, using the features that lie within copy trading. This is something where we see you have the ability to become a follower of some of these top traders, earning crazy ROEs just by copying these trades. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Appreciate you all. Remember to subscribe on your way out. We'll keep monitoring the situation that lies within Bitcoin. But for me and what I'm doing within my crypto investments, I'm just going to wait it out. I'm not really concerned. A lot of people are getting also just liquidating and becoming cash heavy because then they can buy crypto on clearance, okay, as we start this next ascension, all right, within 2024 and beyond, because it's coming. And when it came back in 2021, you definitely wanted to be prepared in every shape of the imagination. So thanks all for watching. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.